I think we're ready to go. So I'm going to start letting them in. All right, so you. One second. Please mute your phones. Good morning. Yeah, the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirt or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning.
Hola y bienvenidos a la corte del honorable juez Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, le pedimos a todos que por favor no estén ni comiendo, ni tomando, ni mascando chicle. Por favor, no estén manejando. Estén vestidos adecuadamente como que estuvieran aquí en persona en la corte. Tampoco se permite que fumen, ni que estén durmiendo, ni recostados. Le pedimos que por favor no tengan la cabeza tapada, ni con gorra, ni pañuelo, ni cachita, a menos que esté tapada por razones religiosas. Gracias y bienvenidos.
Hey. Thank you, Officer Wilson. Good morning to everyone. I'm going to do what I'm going to do is the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Lo que voy a hacer es tratar de llamar a los casos en la manera más rápida y eficiente posible. También voy a llamar a los casos en el orden que se han presentado esta mañana.
Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Mrs. Hernandez, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's start with the reviews. This is the City of Detroit versus Alicia Embry. Case number SP 175-85703. Ms. Embry, state your name for the record, please.
Elisha Embry.
Elisha Embry, I'm sorry. 18 hours of community service for the 3 matters. I don't know what you did with Judge Archer. I don't know what happened with that, but for our
He never let me in the court. I was outside the court. I never got into the court, so I don't know what happened either.
She never let you in?
No.
Well, what we're going to do with our matters, ma'am, you were ordered and allowed to do a combination of ordered to do and in lieu of fines and costs, allowed to do community service. You completed the community service. We thank you for that. And for us, we're going to close out the seatbelt ticket. You don't owe that money anymore. I will close out the defective brake light ticket. And I will dismiss the disorderly conduct ticket now.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
If there's nothing further, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
You as well. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Estrada Martinez, case number SP 18030501. State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Buenos días, usted se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus José Estrada Martínez, número de caso SP 18030501. Por favor, díganos su nombre.
Sí, mi nombre es José Alberto Estrada Martínez.
Yes, my name is Jose Alberto Estrada Martinez.
And good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service and you went over and above, and we thank you for that.
Buenos días, usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. En vez de pagar costos y multas, yo le había permitido a usted a que cumpliera 6 horas de servicio comunitario. Y veo aquí que usted no tan solo hizo sus 6 horas, sino que hizo muchas más horas que eso. Y con eso le queremos dar las gracias a usted.
And for that, we're going to close your matter out, sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck.
Y con eso vamos a cerrar a su caso, señor. Le quiero desear a usted unos días feriados felices y seguros y que tenga muchísima suerte.
Igualmente, muchas gracias.
Same to you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
De nada.
This is the city of Detroit versus Pablo No Nunez Cabrero, case number SP 18026311. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Pablo Funes Caballero, número de caso SP 180-26311. Por favor, señor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días, señor juez. Mi nombre es Pablo Noé Funes Caballero.
Good morning, Judge. My name is Pablo Funes Caballero.
And good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. And you were in lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do 6 hours of community service. You too went over and above, and we thank you for that.
Buenos días, señor. Veo aquí que usted se le había ordenado hacer 6 horas de horas comunitarias y veo que usted hizo muchísimos más.
And for that, we're going to just close your matter out, sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Y con eso, señor, vamos a cerrar su caso. Si no hay más nada, ya se puede retirar. Le deseo unas felices días feriados. Muy buena suerte para usted.
Igualmente, señor juez, muchas gracias.
Same for you, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que tenga excelente día.
This is the city of Detroit versus Francisco Javier Garcia Espina, case number SP 1799873, SP 1799841. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Francisco García Espina, números de caso SP17998373 y SP17998412. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Francisco García.
Good morning, my name is Francisco Garcia.
And good morning to you, Mr. Garcia. Today is the date and time set for review. You were allowed to do, you were ordered to do community service for 12 hours and allowed to do 6 hours in lieu of fines and costs for your matters. I see that you completed those 18 hours of community service.
Muy buenos días a usted, señor García. Veo aquí que este es el día y la hora que hemos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Yo le había ordenado a usted que hiciera 12 horas de servicio comunitario y en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas, que hiciera 6 horas de servicio comunitario. Noto aquí que usted ha cumplido sus 18 horas de servicio comunitario.
Thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, the civil infraction out, and dismiss the misdemeanor.
Le queremos dar las gracias por el servicio que usted ha brindado y con eso vamos a cerrar el caso que era la infracción civil y vamos a desestimar el caso que era el delito menor.
Muchas gracias, señor juez.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
If you don't have anything further, you're welcome. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Y si no tiene algo adicional, señor, le quiero desear a usted unos días feriados felices y seguros y le deseo muy buena suerte a usted.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
This is the City of Detroit versus Brandon Gomez Espinoza, case number U722555125. State your, good morning to you, state your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay.
My name is Brandon Gomez Espinoza.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. I do have your testing, sir. I do see that you completed the 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. The only thing I do not have is the misdemeanor morality class.
Was that your misdemeanor morality?
Yes.
I'm not sure what that paper is.
Mr. Phillips, did you get him, you didn't get him connected to misdemeanor morality?
Your Honor, we trying to get.
You have to speak up, Mr. Phillips. You have to turn your volume up.
Can you hear me now?
You need no more, it would be better.
Okay, can you hear me now?
A little bit, go ahead.
Okay, we were looking through his ROA and that was never mentioned in there, so we just did what we saw in the ROA. Because that was never mentioned they had to take the class.
I have it written here. It should have been on the ROA. I'm gonna reset the matter. I need that misdemeanor morality class.
Okay.
Can you set them up? You know how to get them access to that class?
Oh, we do that class.
Okay, I'm gonna have you back after the new year, sir. Give you an opportunity to get back with Mr. Phillips and complete the class, okay?
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
Come back January 21st. January 21st at 8:25. Get that class done and get it to us. And if nothing further, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You too. Happy holiday.
You too, happy holiday. This is Jose Manuel Moreno Alamanza here.
Está acá por aquí el señor José Moreno Almanza.
I'm right here, Your Honor. Good morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Jose Manuel Moreno Alamanza, case number SP 18030381. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Jose Moreno.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for review. You were ordered to do at least 12 hours of community service, and then a total of 48 hours in lieu of fines and costs for the remaining hours. I see that you completed at 33 hours. Is that correct, Mr. Phillips?
Yes, he did, just 33 hours, Your Honor.
So I thank you for the hours that you completed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you credit. I'm going to dismiss the SP 1803083. I'm gonna close out count one. And I'm gonna give you credit for the whole 33 on the other civil infractions. If you want to complete the rest of the hours, you can. If you do not want to complete the rest of the hours, then you'll just get the credit for what you did, and then we'll 48 hours would have cleared everything up.
I think I can do the remaining of the hours, Your Honor.
And how long do you want to, how long is it going to take you to complete the remaining hours?
As long as the time you give me.
Why don't we have you back on January the 7th, 2026 at 8:20, at 8:25, all right?
Sounds good, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. Get back with Mr. Phillips, complete the rest of the hours. Have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and we wish you the best of luck, all right?
Sure will. Happy holidays to you too, Your Honor.
Thank you. It's Frederick Lloyd Ginida here. Is Amberest Wendelkin here. Amberest Wendelkin. Okay, let's get going on the people that we have at the top of the list. Of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Ricardo Gutierrez Chavez, case number SB 182-40531. Appearance director, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gutierrez.
Este es el señor Gutiérrez, tiene su micrófono cerrado, apagado, tiene que abrirlo. You have to open your mic, Mr. Gutiérrez.
Ok, ¿ya me escucha?
Sí, ¿usted necesita intérprete? Do you need interpreter?
Sí.
Yes. This is the, yes, Your Honor, he needs. This is the city of Detroit against Mr.
Emma,
Ricardo.
Español.
I'm calling the case. Ajá, ok, sorry. Esta es la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Ricardo Gutiérrez Chávez, número de caso SP 182-40531. Su nombre, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Edward Berry Jr., representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Sí, soy Ricardo Gutiérrez Chávez.
Yes, I am Ricardo Gutiérrez Chávez.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Ok, está bien.
Ok, that's good.
Are not guilty plea on their client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gutierrez Chavez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay?
Señor Gutiérrez, yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él le indicará qué oferta de resolución puede obtener parte de la fiscalía y una vez que tengan eso, vuelven acá y veremos cómo resolvemos el caso. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta número 2. Join.
Está bien, gracias.
Very good, thank you.
We'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Diamond Green, case number SP 163. 1723, appearance for the record, please.
Hi, Your Honor. My name is Diamond Green.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to the staff. Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Green. Purposes of payment, my client.
All right, good morning, Ms. Green. We'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. We'll give her a $0 bond. Ms. Green, I'm going to dismiss your cases now, your case, because you paid 2 related civil infractions. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Green, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Eric Sanchez, case number U722366625, SP 1823994, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1823991, and SP 1824631. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Eric Sánchez. Números de caso SP1823994, cargos 1, 2 y 3, SP1823971 y SP1824631. Que todos digan sus nombres, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Eric Sanchez.
You don't need an interpreter.
Say that again. I didn't hear.
You do not need an interpreter, do you, sir?
No, I do not need.
All right. Good morning to you. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
Morning to you.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Sanchez, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Sanchez has I'll recall the warrant on the U ticket. That was a case that wasn't on the docket. And so Mr. Sanchez, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, sir, and you let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
And I'm sorry, Your Honor, you said he had off-docket matters?
One U ticket, yes, offer to engage.
Yeah.
All right, for the rest, everyone else, I'm gonna wait on an attorney.
Sépanse todos lo que lo estamos haciendo ahora es esperando que llegue un abogado para poder continuar con los casos.
Jay, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Good morning to you.
Hi, good morning. I don't have a case. I'm helping someone else get on. She was just in the wrong room she was in Judge Williams, so she's clicking on now.
What is that person's name?
Maybe Reyes Ortiz.
Maybe Reyes Ortiz.
8:45, Your Honor, almost at the end.
Yes. Thank you. We got her checked in. Is she with you now?
No, she's logging in now. But she was just in Judge Williams. She was in the wrong one, so she's getting out of there and coming into here now.
All right, we'll wait on her. Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
You too, thank you.
Jorge Sierra.
Yes. Jorge Sierra.
Jorge Sierra.
Yes.
Jorge,
Oh, Jorge Sierra Gonzalez. Good morning to you. I just wanted to make sure I had you checked in.
buenos días. Usted tan solo quería yo asegurarme que había tenido su nombre aquí indicado que estaba presente.
Sí, gracias, aquí estoy presente.
Yes, thank you. I'm here. I'm present. What is his name again, Your Honor?
Jorge Sierra Gonzalez. He's under 830, sort of in the middle.
Yes.
iPhone. Is that Miss Reyes Ortiz? Buenos días.
Prenda su micrófono, por favor. Turn on your mic, please.
I guess we're waiting on, they're waiting on the city attorney. Text this morning.
Estamos aún esperando que llegue un abogado.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Green, please, Green. Say that again. Cornelius Green. Cornelius Green. Oh.
Good morning to you. You have a cell phone, Mr. Green? Yes, sir. Probably get you online. Good morning to you. What's your name, sir? Yuri Quinn. Say that again? Yuri Quinn. Cornelius Lamont? Yes. Speak up. Yuri Quinn. Yuri. What's your full name? Zuri. Your last name is Quinn. Zuri. No, Yuri. Y-U-R-I. Yuri. Yes, Yuri.
Last name is Quinn?
No, it's C-H-R-I-N. Quinn.
C-H-R.
Let me look that up. Cornelius, right?
What kind of case is it?
It's Mr. Kennedy. It's a misdemeanor.
I mean, what is it?
Oh, it's no insurance and I'll look it up.
Okay.
Spell your last name, please. C-H-R-I-N. C-H-R-I-N. Yes, sir. C-H-R-I-N.
Welcome to Zoom.
That would be
ID followed by
next door 435. Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought this was. That's okay. That's all right. Have a good day, sir. Safe and happy holiday season too. Likewise. Mr. Cornelius Green, let's see. Loudspeaker and right. Did you sign on the iPhone?
That was him that just did it, sir. On the hallway, wait for someone.
Did you call in or did you Zoom them in?
They all call in, sir. The Zoom is not working in the court.
Are you 517-715 number?
7379.
Very good. You could just sit, well, I'm gonna get you out of here as soon as we get an attorney available.
Okay. You said wait till somebody.
Just wait in the hallway, because it's gonna interfere.
Hang this up?
No, don't hang up on me.
Don't hang up.
Someone's gonna come on the phone and tell you what to do.
Yeah, and if I mute you, press *6 to unmute yourself, okay? *6. All right.
Meaning if you talking and they can't hear you, press *6. That means you're muted.
Is that or Eduardo Sarios?
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. Let me put my lawyer. 1 second. I'm in another courtroom, sir. The
You
judge
don't
right
need,
here.
hold on, you don't need an interpreter, do you, sir?
I was texting about 6 times a day. I heard him until I got.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning to you. See here. Mr. Bazzi, are you in the building or are you in another building?
No, I'm in another building, Your Honor. I think today is just on arraignment or a pretrial. I just wanted to get another date at the time right now.
Now, does your client, you know, this is community court, so does your client willing to do community service if he gets found, guilty on any of this? Or does he want to just go to his alphabet judge and fight the ticket?
I'm sorry, Judge, can you repeat that? Does he, I heard the community service part, but what else?
Does he want to just go to his alphabet judge and fight the ticket?
We can just go to the judge, if.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Eduardo Rosarios, case number SP 175-87411, SP 182-04061. Appearance for the record, please.
Does he need an interpreter, Your Honor?
No.
No, he doesn't.
No. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Hassan Beze, P78448 on behalf of Mr. Alvarado, who stands right to my right. Can you state your name for the record?
Eduardo de Leon Rosario.
Let me see, because I know Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Rosario. Mr. Bazzi, did you put your P number on the record?
Yes, I did. P78448, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date for his alphabet judge in front of Judge Griffin. January 28th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's
Have a
nothing
good
further,
day.
we'll see you. Hope you have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
You too, thank you.
Thank you. On the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself? Oh, that's Mrs. Reyes Ortiz again. Excuse me. Morning to you. Morning, Ms. Horn.
Morning, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Rodriguez. Good morning to you,
Hello.
ma'am.
Good morning.
You need an interpreter, ma'am?
No.
Good morning. What is your full name, please?
Anasia Leah Marie Rodriguez.
You have a case number?
Give me 1 minute. Let me see if I have it. It's SP 183 061402.
You're gonna go to Judge Herman Griffin. Judge Herman Griffin, but your court date is not gonna be until January 21st.
Okay, because I had the papers that came in the mail that said the 17th.
Yeah, they removed you from here. They removed you off of that date and put you on January 21st.
Okay,
And
do you know
that is
what time?
at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, be safe, have a safe, happy holiday season, and that will be Judge Griffin next, not Judge Perkins anymore.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Best of luck to you now. Have a very good rest of your day.
You also. Happy holidays.
You too, thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gutierrez Chavez. Mr. Gutierrez Chavez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Está bien, volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Gutiérrez Chávez. Señor Gutiérrez Chávez, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señor abogado, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client would have availed himself of the people's offer to allowing the interplea to allowing, and he stands ready to do community service.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere adherirse a la oferta ofrecida de resolución ofrecida por la fiscalía de declararse del cargo enmendado de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara y está dispuesto a hacer sus horas de servicio comunitario.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gutierrez Chavez?
Señor Gutiérrez, ¿quiere tomar este acuerdo que la resolución que le están ofreciendo?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Está bien, señor, puede bajar su mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera.
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other trial rights, advisor rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaba en la sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, él le explicó todos sus derechos, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Usted tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo de resolución ofrecido, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa aparte de lo que hemos hablado aquí que ya consta en el acta?
No.
No.
But let me draw your attention back to November the 4th, 2025, around 2:41 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McGraw and Trenton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día, el lugar y la hora de los hechos, que fue el 4 de noviembre del 2025 a las 12:45 de la tarde en las inmediaciones de la calle McGraw y Trenton en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, a esa hora, en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Estaba manejando usted un vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad, señor?
No.
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
¿Por qué no?
Porque no tengo.
Because I don't have one.
Very well. I'll find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing order him to do 12 hours of community service. I will dismiss upon completion.
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar entonces a su cliente culpable del cargo enmendado de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara y le voy a imponer a hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario y una vez que regrese y estén completas esas horas, voy a desestimar el caso.
Está bien.
Do you have the number to the Southeast Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Señor, ¿ya usted tiene el teléfono para comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitario?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon to set the hours up. I'm going to give you until January 14th to complete the hours. And that's your next court date. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Está bien, señor. Entonces, yo le voy a dar hasta el día 14 de enero del 2026 para que usted haga esas horas de servicio comunitario. Llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para establecer cómo, cuándo y dónde las va a hacer. Y para ese día las tiene que tener ya listas. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, le deseo unos maravillosos días festivos. Que tenga muy buen día.
Gracias.
Se puede retirar.
Igualmente.
Thank you. Same for you.
Great day, sir.
Señor, que tenga un excelente día.
Igualmente, gracias.
Same to you. Y felices días feriados. Se puede retirar.
Gracias. Bye bye.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Cornelius Lamont Green, case number SP 175532. 7, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Cornelius Lamont Green, can you state your name for the record, please? Mr. Green.
Cornelius Lamont Green.
All right, good morning to you. He's purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
They entered a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Now, this is the third time, Mr. Green, that we've given you a pretrial. He requested an appointed attorney the last 2 times, and you continue to miss court. Mr. Berry, speak to him. If he wants that appointed attorney, we'll get one for him. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, and Mr. Berry's gonna have a conversation with you. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, sir.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Sanchez. Mr. Sanchez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Well, my client is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation on 1 count of allowing a seatbelt violation as charged, as well as the offer to engage would be amended to disorderly conduct. We're requesting a 6-month non-reporting probation.
And what was the recommendation on the probation?
A misdemeanor morality course, STI, HIV, STI testing results private, and any other conditions imposed by the court.
So disorderly conduct, 6-month non-reporting probation. Okay, you want to take the deal, Mr. Sanchez? Mr. Eric Sanchez, do you want to take the deal?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I swear.
And you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, is she not?
I didn't hear.
Will Ms. Harris go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights? Let me draw your attention back to September the 4th, 2025, at around 10:05 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7446 Michigan Avenue. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
Did you do something on that date to cause a police presence?
Yes.
And wouldn't you agree, Mr. Sanchez, that that police presence disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
I offered money for service.
I said, wouldn't you agree that that police presence that you caused disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
Yes.
All right, are you satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor, but I will also note for the record that the plea was against my advisement.
Okay. I'm sort of satisfied. What were the, I'm gonna find him guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct. What were the other 2, please?
The seatbelt violation and allowing an unlicensed person to drive.
All right, Mr. Sanchez, I'm gonna take you back to November the 6th, 2025, at around 5:05 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Michigan and Florida. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
On November the 6th, 2025, at 5:05 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Michigan and Florida Street, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, I could not.
And why is that?
Because I don't have one, and
Very well. Very well. I'll find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing out. And did you have a seatbelt on at that time, sir?
officially no.
Okay, and I'll find you responsible for, as charged in the seatbelt. I'm gonna impose 12 hours of community service for the disorderly conduct. You're gonna have to take a misdemeanor morality class, get HIV, STD testing. That results will be private to you. And then for the allowing, I'm gonna order another 12 hours of community service for a total of 24 hours of community service. I will dismiss the allowing upon completion.
Okay.
I need a good phone number from you.
313.
I have it here.
Okay.
I need you, do you have the number to Mr. Phillips at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
I believe it's the one that ends with 2155. So yes.
Yes, you have that. Come back on the 14th of January, 2026. That's going to be your first, it's going to be your review date for the community service and getting all this stuff done. And then I'm going to give you another date of June 17th, 2026. Come back on January 14th, 2026. Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon to set the hours up. And if you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Arturo Idelfonso Reyes, case number SP 182-30141. Appearance for the record, please.
Señora Harris, se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Arturo Idelfonso Reyes. Número de caso SP 182-30141. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Buenos días, señor juez. Mi nombre es Idelfonso Reyes Arturo.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Arturo Idelfonso Reyes.
On behalf of Mr. Idelfonso Reyes and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Yo soy Cherica Harris representando al señor Idelfonso Reyes y para el propósito de la lectura de cargos mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond.
Y buenos días a usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una lectura de cargos en su caso. Yo voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yo lo voy a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta y la señora Harris va a tratar de conseguirle una buena oferta de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta esa oferta de resolución, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Pase ahora a la sala donde dice join o unirse. Toque en la pantalla donde dice join o unirse.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Ms. Harris?
The statute that this is written under?
Let's see here. The statute is 324.811.351.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Mr. Warbling, are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Antonio Gonzalez, case number SP 1828964, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez. Judge, this is a civil matter. If I could waive his appearance, I do have full authority.
All right, I will waive the client's presence. And I'll note that Officer Glabowski was here. I've given you an opportunity to pre-try the case. What was the resolution of it?
Judge, it would be count 1, impeding traffic, dismiss count 2.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible claim your cause client behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, pay it by January 7th, 2026. If there's nothing further, he has a driver's license never acquired.
Oh.
Misdemeanor. Let's call S 217-292-111 into the record as well.
Was that out of the same incident, Judge?
No, I doubt that. That's a 021. That's a 2021 ticket.
Okay.
So that's an old ticket. I'm going to try to get you a date.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate the courtesy.
That allegation was made. It's in warrant status. I'll enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. That was the allegation was made July 29th, 2021. Do you want me to set a trial date?
Thank you, Judge.
Trial date is going to be January 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great holidays to you and your staff.
You as well. I told you just couple. Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, may I ask if the 4 persons that are here, they need interpreter?
You may.
Gracias. Señor José Manuel López Campos, ¿usted necesita intérprete? Tiene que abrir su micrófono. No le oigo, tiene su micrófono cerrado.
Sí, sí necesito.
Okay,
No más que cuando
gracias.
dijo José Manuel es Juan Manuel.
Juan Manuel, disculpe.
Sí.
Diana Magdaleno, ¿necesita intérprete?
No.
Ok, gracias. Señor Jorge Sierra, ¿necesita intérprete?
I believe he
¿Tiene
does.
su-
Sí.
Yeah, okay. I don't see him in the docket, by the way. A la señora Olga Reina
He
sabemos que sí
is
necesita
Jorge
intérprete.
Jorge Sierra Gonzalez. He's right in the middle of the,
González.
the bottom, look for bottom third of the.
Jorge Sierra González.
You see on the first page, 830, in between Green and Gonzalez. Right below Fernandez Garcia.
No,
Good morning
I
on the
don't see him.
telephone at 313-758-8191. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
La persona en el
Hey,
teléfono.
hey, good morning. I'm Alfred Griffin.
Alfred Griffin, good morning to you.
Hey, good morning. Hey, yeah, I'm calling back to remember this me from Griffin from yesterday about the community service. I'm all done here. You want me to fax you over that info?
You should have sent it to Miss, you should have sent it to, what is your middle name, sir? Good morning to you.
Dewan?
You should have sent that info to Miss Shelton.
Miss who?
Miss Shelton.
Oh, okay.
One that took care of you. You're not supposed to be back until January 6th.
Back where?
In court. That's your review date. If you can give me that information today, we can close it out. I have a January 6th date that you're supposed to be back.
What for that? Because I thought you told me December was 15th, the Tuesday.
I know, but you didn't have it, so go get it to Miss Shelton, and then get it to Miss Shelton, and then zoom back in after she sends it to us, so we can close it out today if I got the proper documentation.
All right. So what? You want me to call you back when it's in? And
Yeah, after you get it to Miss Shelton, and tell her to let her know that we're waiting on it.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Judge, can I have a moment before we go to the next?
You may. Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, court looking statute, please.
I sent you the copy of the ticket.
Hey, no. I just want to make sure, maybe I'm overlooking something. It's not coming up.
Maybe it's not, maybe you're not. I don't know what else I can do. 324 is 0.811351.
When I go to 3.5, it says repeal.
Yeah, maybe you need to talk to, maybe you wrote it wrong. I don't know. I'll try to look it up, but I don't know. Recreational vehicles bench book. section 2.2. Operating an ORV while under the influence of any unlawful bodily alcohol content or any amount of certain controlled substance. Person shall not operate an ORV if any of the following apply. Person has in his body an amount of a controlled substance listed in Schedule 1.
She said, come in.
Under 333.7212.
I'm back, Your Honor.
You want to plead guilty? Yeah, I have a different section of statute as well. Mr. Berry, are you ready? Give him his, did you give him his?
No, not yet, yeah.
I will add, when the court looks up that particular statute, does anything come up?
What's this, what the statute they wrote?
Yes.
I didn't see anything. And the date. Right. You can step up, Mr. Green. You can hang up your phone.
Step up right here, sir. Please. Hang your phone.
So let's go back on the record for Mr. Cornelius Lamont Green. Mr. Berry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to your client. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing. No, I'm sorry, Your Honor. No, to the loudspeaker charge on the basis of a delayed sentence to be dismissed at the completion of his community service. The cycle endorsement charge to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir? Can you got to speak up.
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over, you read and signed this advice of rights form, did you not? Okay, you gotta speak up.
Yes.
You understand the rights?
Yes.
Any questions about the rights?
No, sir.
All right, you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give the rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Well, let me draw your attention back to July the 15th, 2025, around 7:07 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Woodward and Cadillac. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you riding this Harley Davidson?
Yes, sir.
Was the music on that Harley Davidson loud enough? You had some music on that Harley Davidson, right?
Yes, sir.
And was it loud enough for me to hear it 10 feet away from your vehicle?
Yes.
All right, that's the statute. I know it's not much, but find your client guilty. And he says he can hear you over a block away. I don't know. I might believe him.
And I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you why I don't believe it.
All right.
Because I know one thing, downtown, not play about using the motorcycle. I've been riding motorcycle. One thing down, I would not disrespect downtown.
Well, we know downtown.
I might have, it might was up, but it wasn't like what he said it was.
We know downtown doesn't play because you got the ticket. But I'll tell you what, though, I see it all the time. You guys got the Harleys and the what do you call those? Slingshots. And it's like the music is just blaring. You know what I'm talking about, though, don't you?
I know I'm trying to stay away from all tickets.
I bet you are.
I know that, I know for a fact about downtown.
Now, I know this is not a part of it, because we're gonna find them guilty as charged to the loudspeaker ticket. I'll stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Berry. I'll dismiss the cycle endorsement.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
You got it already, right?
I mean, I had it, but I moved from, I've been had it. So I went to Ohio. So
All right, that's what I was gonna ask.
It just wasn't, they said I didn't check the box, but I still, if I come back, I still have my cycle should say yes. So I never paid attention to my license, but I have all my old.
No, that's what I was gonna ask, because you mentioned that you rode motorcycles for years.
Yes.
And I'm like, how do you not have a cycle endorsement?
So that was.
All right, that case is dismissed. All right, either 12 hours of community service or $240. Let's get it over to Mr. Phillips. I need a good phone number from you.
Here, 517 715 7379.
Did you get that, Mr. Phillips? I'm gonna put it in the chat. I'm gonna get you the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Ms. Mathis, do you have a sticky note? I got one. I got one. All right, I'm gonna get you, give Mr. Phillips a call. Give Mr. Green that number. Mr. Phillips a call at this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until January 14th to complete the hours. Mr. Phillips's number is 517-715-7379. He'll be waiting on your call. Set the hours. I'll give you till January 14th. If the hours are complete, we'll dismiss the ticket. All right.
All right. So I got just ask Mr. Phillips.
Yeah, you get that. He'll already have you set up. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Green, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you. Okay. Thank you. All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Ali Ahmed. Case number SP 1234951, SP 1823891. Appearance for the record, please.
My name is Ali Ahmed.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. For purposes of arraignment.
Yes.
Yes.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Ahmed, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
He needs an interpreter.
Oh, does he? Can
Yes,
we get
Arabic.
Arabic interpreter, please?
Yes,
We'll
sir.
pass the map. Pass the map. We're gonna get that interpreted. This is the city of Detroit versus Donald Lee Anderson III. Case numbers SP 1809384. SP 180940001, SP 1817868, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Anderson.
My name is Donald Lee Anderson III.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Anderson, I call 2 extra cases into the record, Mr. Berry. One is a limited access 1 to 5, and the other is a no-ops, including the stuff that's on the record. Mr. Anderson, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. Slow day.
Okay. That's like interpreting services is not.
Are we ready on Mr. Reyes?
We are not, Your Honor. There is no offer, and I think Ms. Horn is in her other courtroom, so I'm just waiting for a response. I can start someone else if the court would like.
Let's go with City of Detroit versus Deanna Magdaleno Leal. Case number 1828810, counts 1 and counts 2. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Appearance for the record, please.
Diana Magdaleno Leo.
Erica Harris on behalf of the defendant. And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Magdaleno, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you in up there. Buffer. Keep in mind, if you don't like that, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter.
Because they had ran back. Every concern. SP 18234. Because I called. They got you in the home. Get your hat. Right back. Turn it back and see it, so we can get it. All right. All right. Let me do it. Like. keep coming down here looking around.
I know that.
They looking like, I
Yeah.
don't know what they're looking for, they read it.
I'm not gonna check.
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
Left. Wow.
Because it's a better fit.
Yeah, she has a calendar right there. I like that.
Yeah.
I would put it over here. And then
How you gonna do a picture? Because if you left-handed, then when you grab your stuff, it's gonna be on the side.
what?
Because, okay, yeah, because I think, yeah.
It's the same thing.
Is it the same thing? Okay.
Basically, right? I'm gonna have to see where those are. This picture right there.
Yeah, it's a perfect fit. That when I went up there the other day, I was like, "The picture's on."
What date are we moving?
First of the year.
Well, I'll be here, you know. We don't have a lot of stuff there, so we don't. I think we might have to take an extra file back to see if that fit back there.
I don't think it will.
Yeah.
Saw that pop up and stick that wall.
That back wall. That's looking a little bit.
It does look a lot better.
My stuff, yeah. 4.
All like expensive. Sitting like this. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be a mess for them.
In the beginning.
Because of the notices that you're seeing. I doubt it.
Oh. Well, the notices, I don't send out the notices, the court sends them out electronically at the end of the day. So I don't know.
what's gonna be
And then docket management is on switching.
Yeah.
So we'll just have to work through that.
I hope they're sending them out to
Yeah. We just have to probably work through January. But the court knows because like I was talking to one of the cashiers yesterday, they know it's changing. So they're telling the people too, when they come upstairs. She mentioned cash. But at least it's close to the change room. I said, at least it's close to the chambers. I'm missing his comments now.
Tom's coming in.
I just sit outside our office for 5 years. No, I sit outside our office.
See, that's stuff.
Oh, we got food today. We got turkey chops, potatoes, string beans.
And let's go back on the record with Ms. Magdaleno. Ms. Magdaleno, after giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel, what does your client want to do?
Yeah, I know my client, of course, is asking if the court would allow her to pay in lieu of community service. The offer was a blocking traffic, and if not, she understands that she will be sent to a different courtroom to do that.
All right, go to the different courtroom. I'm gonna give you a pretrial date in front of Judge Wagner. January 21st, 2026 at 8:30. Okay. Did not, the Zoom ID is 360-331-0000. And you don't have any further questions, I wish you a happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Good morning.
How you doing? Madam Clerk, Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are we ready on Reyes?
We are not. I have to go back. Ms. Horn needed to check with Ms. Walker about that one.
And I did, Ms. Harris, so the people are offering a 3-month delayed sentence on it. The ORV statute, it doesn't go on their driving record. So it's treated like a misdemeanor. So it is written properly, but it's an off-road vehicle. So that's the offer would be a 3-month delayed sentence. Otherwise, it would stay in the alpha judge's courtroom if they don't wish to accept the offer.
And Ms. Horn, even if it says repealed, when you look up the statute?
That's the offer after I've been consulted at this time.
I think what she's saying is that the statute is, when it's just written as it's written, it's saying repealed. I can't find the statute at all.
I know. You know what? We'll move for dismissal, and I know we try to make it really work in community court. So I will move for dismissal. I have looked up that statute. It's hard to find. I think one of the ones at the end you got to take off. I can't remember, but.
I think I see, well, no. That one, when you take the one off, it's repealed too.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
So I think what they probably, I think it's repealed, effective March 31st, 2015. But probably that one had a parenthesis around it at one time.
Right.
Before it was.
And the people will move for dismissal. We also don't see very many of these, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Reyes. Mr. Reyes, I guess you got your Christmas present today, but the people are going to dismiss the ticket. If there's nothing further,
Señor Reyes, me parece que su regalo de Navidad le llegó a usted temprano, porque la fiscalía ha pedido que le quiten los cargos. Caso desestimado.
Muchas gracias, señor juez.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
Bien, y si no tiene algo adicional, señor, le queremos desear a usted unos días feriados felices y seguros y que tenga buena suerte.
Igualmente, feliz Navidad y próspero año nuevo.
Same to you. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit. We only have a few.
Yeah, I'm gonna just stay in 4.
This is the city of Detroit versus Manuel Lopez Campos, case number SP 1-825-0841, SP 1-825-226, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Es el caso de Detroit contra el señor Juan Manuel López Campos, caso número SP 182-5226, cargos 1 y 2 y SP 182-5841. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Mi nombre es Juan Manuel López Campos.
My name is Juan Manuel López Campos.
Jerica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lopez Campos. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Jerica Harris representando al señor López Campos, y para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos vamos a hacer la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lopez Campos. Will enter a not guilty plea and give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Buenos días a usted, señor López Campos. Yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada donde su abogada va a hablar con usted y va a tratar de conseguirle una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no le gusta esa oferta de resolución, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para unirse a la sala de consulta privada número 3.
Muchas gracias, señor juez. Claro que sí.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Join the room or pass them out.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta número 3. Vamos a pasar este caso mientras tanto. Acepte invitación. Sala de grupo pequeño. Okay.
He's in there. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Donald Anderson. Mr. Anderson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? Mr. Berry?
Oh, yes, Your Honor. As to Mr. Anderson, Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the off-docket matter, limited access 1 to 5, and allowing as to the improper license matter on docket, the remaining matters to be dismissed. He stands ready to do community service. I'm placing his number in the chat.
Okay, let's strike the limited access from the record. That's already been pled to. That was reduced from a improper prohibited left turn to a limited access. He just never paid that.
That's a different case, Your Honor.
SP 8093841, limited access 1 to 5. That's the case we're talking about. On December the 5th, 2025, you were found responsible for the amended count of limited access. That was a prohibited left turn. And then the no ops, it should be I don't ever see a fine or anything that was assessed for the no ops. It was 24 hours of community service. So we're going to strike both of those cases, SP 1809341 from the record and SP 189, strike that, SP 1809401 from the record. Those cases have already been adjudicated. So we're just dealing with the 3 cases that are on our docket today. Do you want to take the allowing? There'll be 12 hours of community service, and the other 2 matters dismissed. Once you complete the 12 hours of community service, we will dismiss this case. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Excuse me, I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to October 26, 2025, at around 2:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Fort and Swain. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I could not,
And why is that?
because I do not have one, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing, stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center is a sentence. I'll dismiss upon completion. You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, don't you, Mr. Anderson?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you until January 14th to complete the hours. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Happy holidays to you as well.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Jorge Sierra Gonzalez. Case number SP 1820971. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
Does Mr. Sierra need an interpreter, Your Honor?
Yes.
Yes. May I have his case number again? SP
1820971.
Thank you. He's not on my docket for some reason. Thank you, Your Honor. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jorge Sierra González, número de caso SP 182-09741. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Mi nombre es Jorge Sierra González.
My name is Jorge Sierra González.
Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, abogado,
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente, darle una fianza de $0.
Mr. Gonzalez did pay a failure to stop ticket that was related to this case.
Sépase que el señor González ya pagó por una boleta de infracción por haber faltado de parar en un alto. Este es un cargo que está relacionado a este caso también.
Yes, Mr. Berry.
Sí, señor Berry.
He does not appear on my docket either.
No lo tengo él tampoco en mi lista de causas.
It's an allegation of driving while license revoked.
Tenemos aquí una alegación de que él estaba manejando con licencia revocada.
Mr. Gonzalez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor González, lo vamos a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Sépase que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted tiene todo derecho, un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio.
Está bien.
That's fine.
Make sure, you know that he paid a failure to stop ticket that got 3 points on his driver's license.
Sépase, abogado, que él ya pagó por una boleta de infracción por haber faltado de parar en un alto y le pusieron 3 puntos en su licencia de conducir.
All right, join the room, Mr. Sierra. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Señor Sierra, acepte la invitación para pasar una sala privada de consulta donde dice join o unirse para que pueda pasar a hablar con su abogado. join o unirse, toque la pantalla.
He's in there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Just pass the matter.
Okay. Thank you. You must have had a duplicate. All right, thank you. Thank you.
You know, we're moving upstairs, beginning of the year, right? 535. Same thing. Yeah, we just want to put the landlord's fees all in the same. All right, proceed. Harris fell off. Mr. Hall.
Hey.
Good morning to you. Good morning, Mr. Hall.
Good morning.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Oh, Samara Rahal and Tiffany Arabic for the court, been certified for 20 years.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And you swear or affirm that you'll interpret from English to Arabic and Arabic to English to the best of your ability?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, very well. We need 1 minute. I'm gonna wait until our attorney gets free.
Kids. Let's go,
Glad they made it safe.
She would have heard what? Oh, yes.
Next week.
Travel.
She's
Oh, okay. Yeah, yes, you can. Ah. That's
Okie dokie.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Campos. Mr. Lopez Campos, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what does your client want to do?
Vamos para que conste en el acta nuevamente con el caso del señor López Campos. Señor López Campos, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Señora abogada, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to blocking traffic.
Su señoría, mi cliente va a aceptar la responsabilidad de impedir el tránsito.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lopez Campos?
Señor López Campos, ¿y este es el acuerdo que usted desea tomar?
Sí, es correcto.
Yes, that's correct.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Hacer la estipulación para establecer las bases de fundamento para emitir dicho ticket. Señora abogada.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulado, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y hace usted la estipulación de la causa probable para desestimar los otros dos tickets.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulado igualmente, su señoría.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. I'll allow them to do 6 hours of community service.
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar a su representado culpable del ticket enmendado de impedir el tráfico y le voy a imponer 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
Sir, do you have a number of the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Señor, ¿ya usted tiene el número para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitario?
Sí, sí lo tengo. Me lo dio ya el abogado.
Yes,
Muchas gracias.
I have it. The lawyer gave it to me.
Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm going to give you until January the 14th to complete the hours. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, sir.
Está bien, señor. Yo le voy a dar entonces hasta el día 14 de enero. Por favor, llame esta misma, del 2026, por favor, llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para establecer cómo, cuándo y dónde hacer las horas de servicio comunitario. Le doy hasta el 14 de febrero y el 14 de enero, disculpe, y si no tiene más nada que agregar, que tenga unas felices Pascuas y
una pregunta, si hasta el 14 de enero me da para pagar estas horas, pero mi siguiente corte o solamente doy mi servicio y se termina.
Okay, I have until the 14th of January to do that. Do I have to come back another day for the court? With that is done.
If you're on the list, Mr. Phillips will let you know you do not have to come back. The community service hours are complete.
Si usted está en la lista, que el señor Phillips me presente para esa fecha, no necesariamente se tiene que presentar. Tiene que estar en la fecha. Si no, sí se tiene que presentar. Si no ha terminado las horas.
Bien, muchísimas gracias, señor juez. Y a usted, intérprete, por todo. Muchísimas gracias. Que pasen feliz
día.
día.
Your Honor, to you, Miss Madam Interpreter, for everything. Thank you very much and have a happy holidays.
Thank you.
Gracias, señor. Igualmente, se puede ya de retirar.
Muchas gracias. Adiós.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
All right, Ms. Harris, this is Mr. Ahmed, an Arabic interpreter. Are you ready, Mr. Hall? This is the city of Detroit versus Ali Ahmed, case number SP 18234951. SP 18238941. Appearance for the record, please.
Samir Rahal interpreting Arabic for the court for Mr. Ahmed Ali Qasim مخالفي 1-8-2-3-4-9-5-1 ومخالفة تاني نهايتها نمرة 4-3-1.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Ahmed.
سيدة هاريس من قبل سيد أحمد.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
بالنسبة للسبب الحضور راح يكون صامت موكلة.
State your name for the record, sir.
سيد أعطيها اسمك الكامل، أعطي القاضي اسمك الكامل.
علي أحمد قاسم أحمد.
علي أحمد قاسم أحمد.
All right, good morning to you. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'll give you a $0 bond.
هو راح يقول عنك مش مذنب، راح تطلع صفر مصاري كفالي.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
راح احطك بغرفة مع السيدة هاريس وراح تحاول تجيب لك شيء تخفيض او شيء، واذا عاجبك لك حق تكمل بقضية. سامع؟ اوكي so بس يقول جوين انت بتفوت على الغرفة. جوين اكبس على اليمين تحت. جوين كبست عليها.
Join the room, pass the matter. He's in there.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jorge Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvemos ahora en el acta con el caso del señor González. Señor González, le dimos la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, ¿qué va a ser su cliente?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display.
Su señoría, mi cliente va a aprovecharse de la oferta de resolución que le ha propuesto la fiscalía. Él va a presentar una declaración al cargo de que faltó demostrar una licencia.
So the offer is failure to display, and he's already paid for 3 points on his driver's license.
Así que la oferta para él es que él faltó demostrar una licencia y él ya ha pagado por falta de parar en un alto, lo cual le costó puntos.
And he's willing to do community service.
Y él está dispuesto a hacer servicio comunitario para resolver este asunto.
Precisely the conversation with the prosecutor, Your Honor.
Sí, precisamente esa fue la conversación con la fiscal, su señoría.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución?
Sí.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please.
Levante la mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano, señor.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted, señor, que la penalidad máxima que pudiera recibir en este caso son 93 días en la cárcel y o un máximo de $500?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y el señor Berry revisó con usted sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí, así es.
Yes, that is so.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, ninguna.
No, none.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No.
No.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to October the 30th, 2025, around 4:27 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hummel and Clarita. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Así que entonces permíteme recordarle usted la fecha del 30 de octubre del 2025, aproximadamente a las 4:27 de la tarde, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Holt y Verita, tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí.
Yes.
It was officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
¿Y el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir?
Sí.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
Y eso usted no pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señor?
No.
No.
And why is that?
¿Por qué razón?
La tengo revocada.
Because it is currently revoked.
All right, very well. I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display.
Muy bien, así que acepto la declaración de culpable y encuentro que él es culpable al cargo modificado de falta de haber mostrado una licencia de conducir.
We'll order you to do 12 hours of community service.
Le voy a pedir a usted que cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Okay.
Okay.
I need a good phone number from you.
Necesito que usted me dé un buen número de teléfono.
313-520-0857.
313-520-0857.
And do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Y ya, señor, ¿tiene usted el número de teléfono del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit?
Sí, ya lo tengo.
Yes, I've already got it.
I give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, and set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until January 14th, 2026 to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Muy bien, señor. Entonces llame ese número de teléfono esta tarde y pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que puedan hacer los arreglos para el trabajo comunitario que usted va a hacer. Yo le voy a dar a usted hasta el 14 de enero del 2026 para que alcance a cumplir sus horas de servicio comunitario. Si no tiene algo adicional, señor, le queremos desear a usted unos días feriados seguros y felices y mucha suerte.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you. Same to you.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Olga Reyna. Case number SP 1105779, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1813061. Appearance for the record, please.
Buenos días, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit, señor Berry, contra la señora Olga Reyna, número de caso SP 181-30671 y SP 181-779, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Olga Lidia Reina.
Olga Lidia Reina.
Sí.
Yes.
What happened to Mr. Berry?
Señor Berry, I don't know.
I think he fell out. Let's pass the matter. Hold on, Ms. Reina, we have to get the attorney back.
Un momento, señora Reina, se desapareció el abogado, creo que se desconectó. Voy a pasar su caso hasta que él aparezca nuevamente. Okay, gracias.
Okay.
Your Honor, can you repeat her the number, the case numbers, please?
Yeah, the first were not on the docket. There was SP 1105779, counts 1 and counts 2. They weren't on the docket. And then the other one, SP 1813061, is on the docket. The last name on the page 2.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ahmed. Mr. Ahmed, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
One second. عم بقول حصلنا الفرصة نحكي مع السيد أحمد، عم يسأل المحامي شو بتريد تعملي.
Yeah, my client is asking to be sent to the alphabet judge so that he could pay rather than do community service.
موكلي طلب إنه يدفع بدل ما يعمل خدمات الجالي.
Your alphabet judge is going to be courtroom 533, sir. On January 28th is your next pre-trial.
سيد أجيب قلم وورقة شهر 1 يوم 28 تمهيد قضيتك راح يكون بغرفة 533.
يمكن تعيد لي؟
Okay, would you repeat that again? He wants me to repeat the date. شهر 1 يوم 28 غرفة 533.
اوكي اوكي.
نفس الطريق اللي دخلت فيه بس بدل ما تكون 4 يكون 5. اوكي تمام.
That's it. 1:30.
الساعة 1:30 بعد الظهر.
اوكي.
The Zoom ID is 360-533-0000.
تدخل على رقم 360-533-0000. سامع؟
Okay.
اوكي.
I mark the file needs Arabic interpreter.
وراح احط عليها ان الملف يحتاج مترجم عربي.
You don't have anything further, sir. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
سيد إذا ما عندك أي شيء كمان موفق وعيد سعيد وسكر الشاشة. تمام؟
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Reyna. Mr. Berry, can you put your appearance on the record for Olga Reyna, please?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Reyna.
Volvemos a llamar el caso de la señora Olga Reyna. Número de caso SP-181-30671 y SP-1105779, cargos 1 y 2. Señor Berry, por favor, ponga su comparecencia para que conste en el acta. Mi nombre es Edward Berry Jr., representando a la señora Olga Reyna. Por favor, señora Reyna, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Olga Lidia Reina.
Olga Lidia Reina.
Okay, Mr. Berry, there's two cases that were not on the docket. There's an improper license and a no insurance misdemeanor.
Señor Berry, había dos casos que no están en la lista de causas para el día de hoy. Ellos son por licencia inapropiada y por no tener las placas debidas.
Give Ms. Reyna an update.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Dele a la señora Reina, no, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los cargos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty on the client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond.
Voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en el nombre de su cliente y voy a imponer una fianza de $0.
Give Ms. Reyna an offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Reyna, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Por favor, señor Berry, consíguele una buena oferta de resolución a la señora Reina. Y por favor, señora Reina, si usted no está de acuerdo con esa resolución, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada con su abogado.
Join the room. Let us know you come out.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada número 2 y hablamos cuando usted ya salga de la misma.
She's in there.
Okay, perfect.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Christian Derek Lockett. Case number SP-130-17972, SP-1511-5481. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
State your name for the record, Mr. Lockett.
Christian Lockett.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for I think it's a show cause set. I'll say this, he just has a no insurance misdemeanor show cause. And the other case I called into the record was an improper plate. He already pled to that. And he was fined $240, but he never paid it. And now it's gone up to $348. He also has a no insurance proof that he never paid, $336. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lockett. with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. I'm gonna enter not guilty on this behalf and give a $0 bond.
Okay, thank you.
And he owes 125 on a 1 to 5 voted speaker. All right, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. All right, we'll just dismiss. Ms. Harris. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lockett. Ms. Harris.
Yes, sir.
The misdemeanor was supposed to be dismissed. It never got dismissed. For some reason it's overlooked. So I'm dismissing SP 130179772. I'm waiving the warrant for you. And then I'll bring them back down if you would. Do you want to do some community service to clear this stuff up, sir, or do you want to pay?
Yes, sir. I do community service.
All right. I need a good phone number from you, Mr. Lockett.
313-607-9977.
313-607.
Yes, sir.
9977.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna have you do 18 hours of community service. We'll clear everything up.
I can deal with that.
All right, you have a link in?
Say that one more time.
You have a link in? I'm gonna give you a number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Yes, I do. Give me 2 seconds. I am ready.
313-879-2155. Give Mr. Phillips a call by noon and set the hours up. I'll give you until January 14, 2026 to complete the hours. The hours are complete, we'll dismiss the misdemeanor and close the civil infractions out. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Happy holidays to you as well.
Thank you. The City of Detroit versus Maggie Reyes Ortiz. Did we lose her? We lost her.
He was here earlier.
Yes.
I see her now, Your Honor.
Yeah, we lost her.
Yep.
We'll give her time until she gets, until she comes back in. Before we close out.
Sounds good, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry, Mr. Phillips,
Yes, Your Honor.
did Amberest, well, Wendelkin, did she ever do any community service?
She never made contact with us, Your Honor. We tried to call her and that number is no longer available.
Are you ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Reyna. Ms. Reyna, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my
Volvamos
client,
para que conste en el acta con el caso de la señora Reina. Le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señor abogado, que desea ser su representada.
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to allowing the driver's license suspended, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente va a tomar la oferta de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara. Ese es el cargo enmendado por el original que estaba manejando con una licencia suspendida.
Want to take the deal, Ms. Reina?
Y todos los demás cargos van a ser desestimados. Señora Reina, ¿eso es lo que usted quiere hacer en el día de hoy?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Puede bajar su mano.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
Señora, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delitos podría ser hasta 93 días de cárcel y o $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Usted entiende que usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio, si así lo quisiera.
Sí.
Yes.
Very well, your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaban en la sala de consulta privada, su abogado le explicó cuáles eran sus derechos. ¿Es verdad?
Sí. Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Usted tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Y usted sabe que tomando este acuerdo de resolución que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado aquí, que consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October 14, 2025 at around 7:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Fort and Clark. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señora, déjeme llevar su atención al día y el día, la hora de los hechos y el lugar que fue el 14 de octubre de 2025 a las 7:28 de la noche en los alrededores de la calle Ford y Clark. Ese día, esa hora, en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el oficial le pidió que por favor le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, ma'am?
Pero usted no se lo pudo mostrar, ¿no es así, señora?
No.
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
¿Por qué no pudo?
Porque no tenía licencia.
Because I didn't have a license.
Very well. I want to find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing, order her to do 12 hours of community service and dismiss upon completion.
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar a su cliente culpable del delito enmendado, del ticket enmendado de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara. Y lo voy a desestimar después de que se cumplan con las 12 horas de servicio comunitario que le voy a imponer por el mismo.
With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
y con la estipulación de la causa probable, yo voy a desestimar ahora mismo el resto de los cargos.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulado, su señoría.
All right, ma'am. Is 313-231-8235 the best number to reach you?
Está bien, señora. El teléfono, el mejor teléfono para comunicarse con usted es 313-231-8235.
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
¿Y ya usted tiene el número para comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria?
Sí. Ustedes me lo dieron.
Yes, I was given.
All right, call Mr. Phillips when you get off this line to set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until January 14th to complete the hours. If you don't have any further questions now, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señora. Entonces yo le voy a dar hasta el 14 de enero del 2026 para que complete estas horas. Por favor, llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips. Y si no tiene más nada que agregar, le deseo unos felices días feriados. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Your Honor, the interpreter would like to make a correction. The right charges, original charges for the ticket 7791 and 2 are improper plates and improper and no insurance misdemeanor. Thank you.
Improper license and no insurance misdemeanor.
Improper license and no insurance misdemeanor.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
¿Es
Señora,
todo?
is that all for today?
Yeah, that's it. Have a safe, happy holiday season, ma'am. Have a great day.
Sí, señora, eso
Igual-
es todo por hoy. Que tenga excelente día y que tenga unas felices vacaciones y seguras días feriados.
Igualmente.
Same to you.
All right. That would conclude the morning. The other individual never signed back on. She was one that fell